Hello everybody, I am back with My Friendly Neighborhood. I left off after opening all the boxes that required me to change the pizza time, and I'm finding puzzle pieces as well. I need to find some keys. But, oh wait, where's Pearl? If you don't know what this game is, go watch part 1. I explained the gist of it. And I also linked Game Theory's video. There is a fish one! Or sardine. Wait, are there multiple? I thought I already got one. Where you going, Pearl? Brenton. Who's that? Not Brenton. There's nothing in there. I think I have to go back. I've been everywhere in here, I'm pretty sure. Except for this latch. Go down, please! Oh my lord! He took so many bullets. I'm pretty sure, yeah, I've been everywhere. See if there's anything back here I can use. Oh. Unless I can get in there. I've been everywhere. That door should be like, literally like right. Who is this guy actually? I don't know. Okay, I need to get... Wait, that door... It's in here, isn't it? I believe.
Exercise those legs. Get
Oh, no.
No. You get permission from your parents.
Oh, no.
Make sure that we never
Please don't look this way.
Away from home. Parents' wishes can go unheeded.
Oh, no.
Now do anything you like. Throw mailboxes up the next street. Wallow in the drainage ditches. Tell lies.
Look right at me.
Scream at passerbys. Here, let's play again.
Okay. Is there something there I can get? I don't think so. I already got that one. Already got that one. Girl's doing makeup. Is that Heather? No. Wait. I don't know if I went through here. I don't remember. It was literally like a couple days ago. Oh. Yeah, I've been through here. Wait, there's multiple spots. I need to look for duplicates. How does he go? Be adjusted? Okay, nothing up here. Oh my cat just scared the crap out of me. Oh, I forgot. No. Oh, not outside. Or not outside.
Hey!
Why is he hitting you? Yes. I'm gonna use my engineer. Nothing's in there. Wait. How do I get up there? There's the square key. Okay. I need to get this though. I don't know how to... Very puzzling. I'm gonna look around a bit, see if I can see anything. Okay, I found where to go. You had to go through the pizza store back here. I realized I never went back here. Oh, yes, okay. Okay, love that. I actually do love that. Oh, I can unlock like everything in this room. That's crazy. Or in this area.
Let me tell you about the time that my friend
I think I can get in there.
Liliana got me all upset. Like, whoa! There's
Oh, hit that, please. Oh my! Into the rafters. Jump. Square key. Oh my. Big breakthrough. I don't know why it lets you do that like that. I just need Pearl to move, and then I can get in there. I'm gonna check the school first, because I feel like the entrance up there is to proceed to the next area. Yeah. Go here. Through here. That's diamond. This is square.
What? We're in the alphabet. What's the
Oh, token.
alphabet?
Sick.
Oh, it's easy.
I've been wondering how to get in here.
Oh, you mean
Oh
like
no,
the
so you get a
books?
block. And I'm guessing you get another block from that key.
B is for ballistic.
Oh no.
The friendly neighborhood? Spare me.
You don't see me. You don't see me.
do all sorts of things. Grab your pencil and let's go on an
I
adventure.
want you to
Exercise this
That's a
legs.
bad idea.
Get the ball.
All sorts of Here, let's play again.
Pearl honestly doesn't do that much. Like, she's hyped up so much, saying, beware Pearl, she'll beat you. I think she does the same amount of damage as a regular puppet. Okay, boom, next area, finally. Oh, what is... I'm in the Diddy room. He twitched. He twitched. He's twitching a lot.
No!
Stupid puppet.
Okay, bye. Is that all the pieces? I have 2. Let's see if I can see from down here. I need 3. So I need 1 more. Now I just need to remember where another square key entrance is. Or if I'm missing a block. Is there a square key in the previous room? Maybe. I feel like it wouldn't be. I'm gonna check all the stores again. What is with you?
Hey y'all, I'm Norman. I'm a really normal guy. I just kind of show up to be a friendly face in
Need
the
better gun.
background.
If there is a
Sometimes
better one.
I get some
Enemies
lines
haven't
to
been that
recite
bad,
too.
but
Let me show
this
you.
one, this gun is not that good.
It came from Florida.
Whoa!
She's sprinting.
Wait. Let me do another thing. I love that one.
Her limbs. Oh wait, I'm missing one. Neighbor. Law dismissed. I'm gonna check right here. Not square key in I'm gonna go out to the main area again.
Bury as many people around as I can, just so I'll swallow more.
Okay, I'm just gonna do a quick look around. I feel like there's a square by the entrance. Oh, I'm actually lying. That light scared me in there a little bit.
When you go to the park, bring some square off your
I'm trying to think. What is this? Save room. That's. Maybe this had a square key in it. Nice. Where does this go again? I don't know. I'm lost.
I'm a craft
Oh, up
monster.
here. Oh yeah, that's how you get the secret tape. Okay, I'm look around. Found the diamond key, but it's not the right one. I'm looking. Found a triangle door. Okay, keep going. Okay, I deduced that it was not outside.
Hey there, kids. I live in
When you go to the park, bring some
I just don't know where.
wild animals.
inside the cave.
You can bring sunflower seeds.
I literally need one square. Maybe not one square, one. Yeah, I'm gonna change it to pizza time. Because maybe I'm missing something.
I can teach you about all sorts.
Okay. There's another person up there.
If you can draw, you can do well good. I want to
hitting
make
him?
new friends. New friends sound very.
Damn. Oh, crazy. Pixel pig. You can't get in there. That goes down to the thing. I don't know. Okay, I've been literally everywhere on this side. It has to be somewhere else. Where is the stupid third? Is there another square door in the school?
What does Norman notice? Oh, let's see.
Oh, which way you going? Which way you going?
I can't believe you noticed.
Don't go this way, please.
All sorts of things. Here, let's play again.
Can I hide down there, or is she checking down there? That's suspicious. Oh. Oh, she knows. Look at that idiot. And now I'm the idiot because I had to wait till she moved. Is she gonna play basketball? What am I watching? The basketball's right there. You suck at basketball. Oh, I didn't hear. Okay. There's one thing I see right there. Is that platform. I don't get the point of it. Please move. Please. Just learning how to walk. The only thing I can see is maybe through a window. But I don't know. Am I gonna go up there anyway? Yes. I'm out of ideas.
Hold your hands up in the air, and now bring them down in front of your face. Welcome!
She hit me while I was looking the first time.
Sleeping can be the best part of your day. I always start by getting ready for bed.
Okay. So the thing is right there.
All night. Next,
Actually, there's no point in using that. No doors up here, there's no doors through there. I am confuzzled. Okay, I'll look for it. You can mess with Pearl's glasses. Did she ever have glasses? Did I give her glasses? No chance I may have made Pearl's vision better.
That was a great one. Wait. Let me do another.
What do you do when you get upset? You let it get you down? Let me tell you about the time that my friend Junebug got me.
What's the alphabet? Oh, gee, that's what words are made of. You mean like the ones on the books? I remember those.
found a new thing.
Sandpit, you can bring whatever's in your chest.
I accidentally messed with Pearl's glasses earlier, and now these have fallen.
Backyard shed. And for me, your bestest
Was
friend,
I there when it happened?
you can
No.
just bring a friend.
Do I care?
Friend.
I will if I find a puzzle piece.
What do you do when you get upset? Do you let it
I'm
get
about
you
to
down? Let
punch
me
my
tell you
monitor.
about the time my
Yeah, I'm sure there's quite a
Oh, cutscene.
That's a good girl.
Oh my, her eyes.
See, nice and calm. It's been a long time since you saw yourself, huh?
The mail comes
Oh,
every
I
day.
did give her
all of
I
us.
look
glasses.
out the window waiting for the moment it appears.
I'm gonna
We
have
all
to look
get
back and
shocked
see what I
sometimes when we
did.
look in the mirror.
Sometimes
Oh,
it's
sorry.
pieces of
Sorry.
paper. Sometimes it's big boxes. No matter what, I always open it immediately. My favorite
Okay.
new pair of socks, I got it in the mail.
Friends with Pearl now.
From a dear old friend, I got it in the mail. An assortment of the
think
best bugs the world has to offer. Well, that one just appeared
Yeah.
in my house. Mashed
Do you have a
skunk
puzzle
cabbage
piece on you?
in the mail. My neighbors stuffed into a box and shipped to my house.
I have to win
in
a
the
fist
mail.
fight against Pearl.
A stockpile
Okay.
of greasy hamburgers
Oh, we're
that
friends
I
with
cooked
Pearl
at my
now.
vacation home. Come on, say it with me.
He's
It
going crazy.
came from
He's been
Florida
taped for
in the mail.
forever now. I think I know where to go. Perchancely. Perchancely? There's nothing here. There's nothing here. No, I don't want to go. Okay, not gonna lie, I did have to look it up, but I know where it is. And it makes me feel so stupid. I've been looking for this
I
for
always
like
start by getting ready for
20
bed.
minutes.
First, I get my PJs on, so I'm here to educate the children. Welcome, hey,
No.
hey.
Oh boy.
Try to conserve ammo.
What? Where in the
Oh my, again. She loves it being... I'm not gonna say anything. In here. Okay. Finally. Right here. The block. Oh my lord. Oh my lord, I can do it. I can do it. Yes. I don't know what that is. This is something I have to read. What did I get? A letter. Examine. Oh, I need to deliver this to this. Crank and
Maybe this unlocks a different part of the studio.
a map. I know where the crank goes. Because my exploration of this whole map. Oh, I'm so happy I finally found that, dude. I watched a video about something where you put your cheat things. It was like in the projector room, it said. I don't know where that is though. But we're finally out of this stupid studio. Let's get over here. Look, all the arrows. I came out here early. It literally tells you. How did I grab it like that? I could have used like one hand.
There we go.
What did you think was gonna happen? Oh, this is where you started out in the demo.
No getting back up that way.
Oh yeah, they changed this. This looks really cool though. Ray, who is Ray? Who did he say that?
Oh dear, oh my. You seem to be stranded in the basement.
Yeah.
How do I get out of here, Ricky?
Oh, haven't a clue. Never come down here myself. Why? What's got your overalls in a knot?
I'm trying to get to the roof.
The roof? What's so interesting about
Duct
the
tape.
roof? Down here's much more intriguingly musty. Unrelated, how do you feel about blunt force head trauma?
What is it this time?
Well, Ray, of course. He's the best sort of monster janitor thing. But he's a little obsessed with, organic maintenance. Tends to pop out of pipes and clobber people with his wrench.
Sounds like me.
Are all of you puppets crazy?
Well, Ray has always been a little grouchy, even before the shutdown. That's why they moved him down here. Only way out is by elevator, and he can't figure out how to use the buttons.
Elevator. Got it.
Oh, silly me. I forgot about the elevators.
Covered in glue.
Really, Gordon, I wouldn't bother. The cables are probably rusted. I don't think they even run anymore.
I'll take my chances.
Wow, you're so courageous and stuff. Look, I gotta go wash my hair.
For real, it's kind of dirty. Oh, side eye? Okay. Okay.
Puppets.
Why did I reload? Ray? Hello? War is over. After 20 years of fighting, the city government has finally declared a complete withdrawal of troops from the northern continent, called the War of Horrors. The conflict, which mainly involved guerrilla confrontations in the rainforest, resulted in almost 100,000 casualties. Unlike previous homecomings, veterans returned to the city's main docks where booed and hissed, reflecting the negative attitude of many adults towards those who volunteered to serve in the war, hoping to protect their home, but in the eyes of the public, helping to perpetrate those horrors. The Northern War was also called the First War, fought in the living room due to the televised newsreels that kept civilians at home up to date with events overseas. I don't remember any of that. I was more focused on reading it. What's in here? Ray can wait. Backrooms? Level 2? I think? Pretty sure. Not positive? Oh, whoa. This... I need a diamond key. Hello? But why aren't you going down? Jeez, I said go down, not up. I hear another one. Why are you guys so much stronger? Why are you guys in the basement? Did I shoot that? No, okay. They bolt cut it or something. In here. Oh, locker room. Oh, another one. Puppets Pirates Cove, A Triumph for the Family by Richard Lightsbury. 4 out of 5 stars. As the My Friendly Neighborhood franchise grows, it was inevitable for this is hard to read. Gerswold's precocious puppets to make the move to the big screen. Fortunately, their first outing is appealed to more than just the younger crowd. Everything from the sumptuous sets to this... They were really trying me. Scintillating score brings the swashbuckling spirit into the theater in a way that both children and adults can appreciate. The plot centers around a young lad named Clark, Jerry Love of everyone fame, who sets sail with the puppets in search of treasure. They soon, however, discover that the terrifying Captain Crocodile is in control of the ship, and it's up to Clark and his plucky sea hand friend Ricky to continue. back to what I was saying, there's like my thumbnail from my last video? How'd you get here? Okay. Nothing interesting in here. Ammo. Shoes. Gas tape. I sound like someone from Dead Rising with my tape. Guitar. Oh. You good? Okay. Metal piece. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. That scared the crap out of me. I genuinely just jumped. I didn't think that'd get me. Oh.
Learn the alphabet?
The rat. I don't know how she got over there. That's locked.
I rush outside to see what I got. Sometimes it's little pieces of paper. Sometimes it's big boxes. No matter what, I always open it immediately.
What's in here? Here? It's like an office. Nothing. Ammo. Nothing. Nothing. I don't know what I just grabbed. Money. Shells. Oh, I didn't see the shotgun. Okay.
Let's get writing.
The novelist. Did I just use my scroll wheel? Yes, this is cool. What is this? It's like a typewriter. Oh, I forgot you can't aim in this game. Oh, another thing. Hank's inventory diary. I was hanging around the office last night to keep the pipes from freezing, so I had the time to work out the kinks on my latest project. The output is pretty flashy and it uses up a lot of letters, so I need to conserve ammo. Hank. He's talking about his gun. Okay. Oh, I love duct tape. I love it. How is duct tape rarer than ammo in this game? I don't know. I have a lot of health and laxatives though. Okay. Pretty sure I got everything from here. I want to use the shotgun, but I don't. Oh, what to do, what to do. I'm just... Where you at? It's like Call of Duty big. Where did I come from? Oh. Oh, and he uses... How many letters is that? Like 7? So this is like equivalent to 7 of these? Rough math? I don't know. Back. Oh. I didn't see him before. Was that intended? Was he always there? I had no idea. What's this way? It's nothing. Okay. Actually, maybe something. Did I just see something, or am I tweaking? I may be tweaking. Time to see Ray.
Yeah, sure is
Another pipe.
quite a
It's a lot of pipes. I don't like that. Are you ready?
Welcome to...
I just assume not. Please go down. Thank you. Rat. I genuinely don't know where they went. I just eviscerated the rats. Okay. They're gone forever. What's in here? Oh no, didn't look in this room. Okay. Health flags. Tokens. Yes. Locked. What is that? Paper roller. Oh, a save room. Nothing in here. Let's look at my inventory. Not sorted whatsoever. Actually, oh wait, I can get rid of the key. Move this up here. I have a lot of money. I can buy them. No. Is there a better place than this? No. Yeah, you right here. Move, rotate like this. Move this. Move this back one. Move this. Move this. Move this. Boom. Okay, I'm 3x3. But this is where I'm gonna have to end the video. I didn't really get that much done today. Oh shoot, there's a map here. And there's this. Okay. But I'm gonna have to end the video here after I heal real quick. I didn't get that much done because I was looking for a cash register, but time to save. Bye-bye.